How to make small spaces feel spacious. Welcome to Inspiring Homes FAQ, where we unravel the mysteries of turning compact quarters into expansive havens. Are you ready to discover the secrets that will redefine your perception of space? Let's embark on a journey of innovation and transformation, where every square inch holds the potential for boundless possibilities. Maximizing layout, furniture placement magic. Picture this: your furniture is strategically positioned to create a symphony of space and functionality. Learn the art of furniture placement wizardry, where every sofa and table serves as a conductor orchestrating the flow of your room. Lighting illusions, brighten and expand. Paragraph 2. Step into the realm of lighting mastery, where the flick of a switch can transcend dimensions. Explore the transformative power of light as we unveil techniques to bathe your space in luminosity, casting shadows aside to reveal the full potential of your surroundings. Mirror magic, reflecting space. Behold the magic of mirrors, where reflections dance to the tune of spatial expansion. Delve into the enchanting world of reflective surfaces, where every glance reveals a new perspective, stretching boundaries and blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Declutter dynamics, simplify and elevate. Bid farewell to clutter and chaos as we embark on a journey of simplification and elevation. Discover the art of decluttering, where every discarded item paves the way for clarity and serenity, transforming your space into a sanctuary of peace and harmony. Color conundrums, palette power. Let's paint a canvas of possibility as we explore the transformative power of color. Dive into the psychology of hues, where each shade holds the key to unlocking a world of depth and dimension, infusing your space with vibrancy and vitality. Scale sensitivity, choosing the right pieces. Embark on a quest for perfect proportionality as we navigate the world of scale sensitivity. Discover the art of selecting furniture and decor that harmonizes with your space, striking the delicate balance between form and function with effortless grace. Vertical vision, utilizing height. Cast your gaze skyward and embrace the untapped potential of vertical space. From soaring shelves to cascading curtains, explore innovative ways to harness the height of your surroundings, transforming walls into canvases of creativity and expression. In the realm of home interior solutions, no space is too small to dream big. Subscribe to Inspiring Homes FAQ for a treasure trove of expert insights and personalized guidance. Hit like, subscribe, and embark on a journey where limitations are but a figment of the imagination, and every corner holds the promise of endless inspiration.